Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vallari and today I am going to create this look. I have already done my base. Now I am filling in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. I am also filling in the gaps with an angular brush. I am using this color first. I am blending it with a fluffy brush. Next I am using this dark brown color with a smaller brush. I'm blending the color with a clean brush. Next I'm using this color under the crease that I created. I'm using this color in the center of my lid. Next I'm blending this color on my lower eyelid. I'm using this color on my lower eyelid with an angular brush. I'm blending the color here. I'm using this light shade to highlight my brow bone. I'm applying kohl on my waterline as well as tightlining my eyes. I'm applying 2 coats of mascara. I'm finishing the rest of my makeup. I'm using 2 lipsticks here. This shade is Brazen Raisin by Sugar. This shade is Rust Lust by Sugar. This is the finished look, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.